The DJI Avata 360 is finally starting to take shape in the public eye, thanks to a pair of new images that provide a more tangible view of the drone. Unlike previous leaks or promotional renders, these are live shots, images captured in the real world rather than digitally produced marketing materials. They don't dramatically change what we thought we knew about the Avata 360, but they do clarify certain aspects, revealing a level of design sophistication that had only been hinted at before. From early leaks, it was already apparent that DJI was attempting to create a hybrid platform, a drone capable of both immersive 360-degree capture and FPV-style flying. These new images reinforce that dual-purpose direction, while also revealing subtle design choices that hint at DJI's priorities: stability, predictability, and high-quality video output rather than raw, aggressive FPV performance. Starting with the frame, the DJI Avata 360 continues DJI's focus on cinewhoop-inspired construction, featuring fully enclosed propeller guards that give the drone a compact, safe, and professional look. Unlike many drones that use push-on propellers for convenience, the Avata 360's propellers are screwed in place. This may seem like a minor detail, but it has important implications for video quality. Even a slight shift in a propeller's position can introduce subtle inconsistencies in the airflow, which in turn can create vibrations or distortions in 360-degree footage. By securing the props with screws, DJI ensures that each flight starts with consistent mechanical conditions, improving the predictability and stability of every shot. The duct design is another revealing detail. The propeller ducts are vented at the top rather than being completely sealed. This design allows hot air to escape and smooths the airflow inside the duct. In conventional FPV drones, fully sealed ducts can create turbulence that may not significantly impact flight performance but can introduce subtle disturbances that a 360 camera is sensitive to. With vented ducts, the Avata 360 minimizes these micro-turbulences, demonstrating DJI's intention to prioritize clean, usable footage over aggressive maneuverability. Taken together, the screwed-in props and vented ducts tell a very deliberate story. This drone is not built purely for flashy FPV tricks or extreme flight stunts. Instead, it is engineered for stable, repeatable, and predictable performance, making it especially suitable for content creators who want high-quality 360 footage without post-production headaches caused by inconsistent mechanical behavior. FPV remains a part of the Avata 360's appeal, but based on the images, it seems more like a secondary feature than the primary purpose. The drone's design choices favor smooth, controlled flight rather than the ultra-agile, reactive handling typical of dedicated FPV racers. While FPV enthusiasts will certainly enjoy the immersive experience, the evidence suggests that DJI's goal is to combine cinematic stability with immersive flight, rather than creating an FPV-first platform. In other words, the Avata brand signals FPV heritage, but the execution points toward a drone built first and foremost for quality capture, with FPV flight as an added benefit. Looking at the controller in the images, it strongly resembles DJI's recent RC lineup, likely the RC2 with a built-in screen. Unlike fully stitched 360 preview interfaces, this setup appears to deliver a straightforward, single-lens camera feed. This is important because it confirms earlier rumors. The Avata 360 uses a rotating camera system, enabling one lens to become the primary capture tool for conventional footage. Instead of relying on software to stitch 360 images into a standard frame, the camera physically rotates about 90 degrees to bring one of its two lenses forward. One lens faces upward, the other downward, providing full 360 coverage, but you can switch to normal footage in flight without post-processing. This mechanical rotation ensures that creators can choose between traditional video and 360-degree immersive footage with minimal compromise, a key differentiator compared to competitors like the anti-gravity A1, which locks the lenses in place, forcing post-production solutions for standard footage. Battery management and accessory support also align with DJI's established Fly More philosophy. One of the images shows a 3-battery charging hub fully loaded, confirming that DJI intends to offer multiple kit options from launch. Fly More bundles have long been a hallmark of DJI's approach to making drones more usable for content creators, providing extended flight times, additional batteries, and storage options. Combined with rumors about pricing, particularly aggressive positioning in China, it appears DJI is targeting an accessible entry point for consumers while still delivering professional-grade features. Even accounting for the typical price premium in the US, the Avata 360 is likely to offer good value relative to its dual FPV/360 functionality, especially given its mechanical innovations and expected camera performance. Video capture is, unsurprisingly, the heart of the Avata 360. The rotating lens system allows users to seamlessly switch between 360-degree and standard footage, something that could redefine expectations for hybrid drones. For content creators, this design offers flexibility. One moment, you're filming immersive, spherical footage; the next, you can capture conventional cinematic angles without physically changing the drone or dealing with complex post-processing. This versatility has the potential to make the Avata 360 a go-to tool for travel vloggers, YouTubers, and professional filmmakers who want multiple creative options from a single flight. The live images also give a clearer sense of the drone's construction and ergonomics. The compact cinewhoop-style frame, combined with durable propeller guards, ensures that it can safely navigate tight spaces without compromising flight performance. Weatherproofing or environmental resistance details are less clear from these shots, but the design choices strongly suggest DJI's intent to balance safety, portability, and reliability. Compared to previous 360 or FPV drones, this approach emphasizes control over brute speed, ensuring that operators can trust the drone to deliver consistent footage over extended sessions. Thermal management and electronics packaging also appear to be refined. While DJI has not disclosed official specs, the vented prop ducts suggest that airflow and heat dissipation were key design considerations. Proper thermal management is critical when shooting long sessions of 360 or high frame rate video, as overheating can degrade performance or even force the drone to shut down mid-flight. By addressing this in the mechanical design, DJI is signaling that the Avata 360 is meant for real-world use, not just short, experimental flights. From a usability standpoint, the controller and in-flight interface will be critical. DJI's choice to provide a clear, single-lens feed aligns with the practical goals of the drone. Instead of overwhelming users with stitched 360 previews or complex navigation controls, the interface focuses on intuitive operation. This will likely reduce the learning curve for users transitioning from standard FPV drones or conventional aerial platforms, making the Avata 360 more accessible to a broader audience, including both professional creators and serious hobbyists. Another point worth noting is the attention to mechanical precision. The combination of vented ducts and screwed-in propellers may seem small, but these incremental improvements show DJI's focus on real-world performance. In 360-degree capture, even minor mechanical inconsistencies can translate into noticeable artifacts in footage. By controlling these variables, the Avata 360 aims to produce smooth, consistent imagery without requiring extensive post-processing. This design philosophy further reinforces the idea that DJI is prioritizing stability and predictability over aggressive aerobatics, a distinction that may attract content creators who value quality over thrill. While FPV remains an optional element, the drone's primary strength appears to lie in smooth, repeatable performance and reliable 360 capture. From thermal management to mechanical consistency, DJI has carefully considered the practical needs of creators, ensuring that the Avata 360 delivers high-quality results without compromise. Coupled with strategic pricing and robust accessory bundles, this drone could redefine what is expected from hybrid FPV/360 platforms. In short, the DJI Avata 360 may well be one of the most exciting and versatile drones DJI has released in years, an innovative bridge between creative ambition and practical performance, ready to expand the possibilities of aerial filmmaking.